Hey guys, Firestar641 here. I went to a place that I'm not really a big fan of, but it was Kmart, as you can see on the bag, kind of just as much. There we go. Yeah. I went and picked up just one Yu-Gi-Oh! Ancient Prophecy pack, because I don't know. I've only got like 2 of these before, and well, they just suck, so I only bought one. And I will open it up now. There's not really anything charged a lot, but just to see. Okay. I only got it. Okay, there's Sword of Sparkles. That one with the sword. Ironclad Luster. A major upset. It shows Moking Monkey. Wow. Kuriban. Pretty sweet, kind of like Kuribos, but I think just kind of like their sister. Depth Amulet. Didn't like a dude Callan use it or something. Advanced Draw, not bad. I think that's like Zerato, Fairyland, and Corplat. Yeah, I probably would not do any more of these packs at all. They just suck. I only got one monster and the rest were other cards. Wow. Okay, I won't do that again, but, at least I got a Kuriban, but it was not worth its money. Anyway, Firestar641 out, comment, rate, and subscribe, please.